Hey everybody, this is Cody Randolph here, and today I got some pretty wicked footage of a thunderstorm while I was at work today, and I thought I'd share it with you. I'll have the Reptile Room update video up very soon, but yeah, I thought this was pretty cool, and thank God for waterproof iPhone cases is all I can say, because I got some pretty cool footage of a really nasty thunderstorm. Anyways, enjoy the video.
Balls have dwindled a tenth of their size. Ron.
Holy shit.
Hard, huh?
Yeah. Wow! Wow! Ow! Let's get inside! Wait! Okay, quick, well, it lets up, let's go. Look at that river, holy shit. It looks like it snowed outside.
This is ridiculous.